When creating informational signs, nameplates, or labels for your equipment or products, have you ever struggled with low durability, faded or missing color, or a long, complicated ordering process? With IMAGO's anodized aluminum printing technology, you get nameplates with indestructible printing in full color and with a short production process. And what is more, in photographic quality and with the utmost precision. Use your full potential. Produce indestructible rating plates, markings for halls and warehouses, control panels and certificates, premium prints, and much more. From industrial and utility production to artistic and design projects. Did we say indestructible? Yes, prints in the anode are resistant to mechanical damage. Chemicals such as solvents, oils, and varnishes. High temperatures, atmospheric conditions, and resistance against sun exposure. Why is it so durable? The aluminum alloy, after undergoing the anodizing process, develops a transparent, porous microstructure coating characterized by high hardness on its surface. Coloring is done by printing on dedicated IMAGO devices. Nanoparticles from our specialized ink precisely fill these pores, and the solid structure and built-in drying system ensure color stabilization across the entire printed surface. Subsequently, the filled pores are sealed within a hot water bath, permanently locking the applied ink into the anodized layer. Now, all that remains is to give the products their final shape. Why is this advantageous? Prints on anodized aluminum merge the durability characteristic of engraving with the graphic flexibility found in traditional paper prints, while maintaining a low price, short production time, and commitment to ecology. Add color where it was impossible before. Personalize and print whatever you want without templates or quantity restrictions. Expand your offering and simplify your processes. Our technology is already used by nameplate manufacturers, printing houses, manufacturing and service companies, as well as ourselves for producing control panels, workbenches, and warning labels for our machines. See for yourself how IMAGO's aluminum printing will transform your offer. Contact us and we will tailor or develop solutions for your needs.